Hello everyone, this is Soumya and you're watching Global Tales. We all know that morning is the most productive time of the day, and getting up early comes with lots of benefits, and specifically in winters. But honestly, till last year I was not able to get up early in the morning. I am not really a morning person. I really felt cold when I have to get up out of my bed. It was really very difficult. Also, I used to work late at night, and so getting up early in the morning was an uphill battle. But recently, from the past 1.5 months, I have been trying to wake up at 5 AM every day. And today I'm making this video to share with you all my experience of waking up at 5 AM every day and how it has changed my life altogether to a different level. Firstly, starting up anything new, I question myself why I really want to do it. And this time also I asked myself why I really want to get up in the morning, because it's so difficult. So I read many articles about successful people, many people like many successful millionaires, many fit athletes, and I found out that they all have one thing in common, that they get up before 95% of the people in this world. And this made me realize that yes, I should do it, and this motivated me a lot. Here is a problem that I realized this time, and I think you will all agree with me that your past experiences actually limit your current decision, and this is called rear view mirror syndrome, wherein your past experiences actually doesn't let you do something in present. Similarly happened with me. I thought that I will not be able to do it because I tried it many times in my past and have been failed, because I'm not a morning person and will be able to do it only for 2 or 3 days and then I will fail again. So I had very bad past experiences with my morning routine, and that's why I'm not able to give my full efforts to become a morning person.
But as I read somewhere, how you do anything is how you do everything. As a result, your ability to achieve your dreams is stunned, and you succeed only to the level which your excuses allows you. If you want to create life on your own terms, then you need to change the way you think about it. Dwelling on the past and making excuses will only hinder your success. And that's when I realized that no, I will give it a shot and try it once again without thinking too much about my past experiences. Being a morning person requires some effective changes in your night routine as well. So I also did some minute changes in my night routine to become a morning person. I prepare for things in night before that I have to do tomorrow after getting out of my bed. For example, I have to work out in morning, so I will motivate myself by seeing any fitness video, any workout video or anything related to fitness, or read a book on health and fitness that will motivate me to get out of my bed tomorrow. So watching these fitness workout videos or reading a book on health and fitness before 1 hour of my bedtime gives me a sense of push to get up next morning. Also, I prepare for my workout clothes and shoes, so I just have to get up and there will be no hustle in the morning, and I can enjoy my morning time to the fullest. Second major change that I did in my night routine is to keep my phone away before 1 hour of sleeping. This not only gives me a healthy, peaceful and an obstruction-free sleep that actually gives me a happy and a fresh vibe after getting up, but also whenever the alarm rings, I have to get out of my bed to switch it off. and this makes me alert and active and practically awake. When I started waking up early, I realized that I am practically alone and I have about 2 more hours than the rest of the world to do things that requires my attention, but due to my busy schedule, I wasn't able to do it. There are always certain things that requires your prime importance, but due to your different priorities, you are not able to give time to it. Like self-love, self-importance, working on yourself, that requires attention and dedication. Previously, by the end of the day, I was completely exhausted, and the thing that gets sacrificed because of my busy schedule or routine was working on myself. So I was able to do it now just because of getting up early in the morning, being hustle free. And now I don't feel guilty of saying not working out because of my busy schedule, as I've already done it in the morning. So it gives me a sense of satisfaction to sleep well today and motivation to start my next day. I have realized with my experience that even if I am working less nowadays, I am getting more things done. And this is because my productivity levels have been increased due to getting up early in the morning. As I have sufficient amount of time in my mornings to do a specific task, distress free, I will do it more productively. For example, if I read something in morning, it will be in my mind more significantly as compared to night, where my mind is already being occupied with things that happened today, and I need not to read all the things again, and this will increase my productivity to altogether next level. One of the most important changes that I have witnessed in myself being a morning person is enhanced positivity in my life. You know, the reason of negativity in life is dissatisfaction, and when you are satisfied, as you have already done for the most important task for the day in the morning itself, this brings in lots and lots of positivity. And when you are satisfied, you will be more happy, you will be more contented with all the people around you. And I assure you, with my experience since past 1.5 months, I have been transformed into a lot more positive person, and people around me have also witnessed this change, that I am trying to look things in a positive, optimistic and a happy manner. Being a morning person, this has been the most important change in my life, and I've started looking the world into an altogether different perspective. I have been a more optimistic and a happier person now.
This is how my life completely changed after waking up 5 a.m. every day, and I feel that it has made me a very happier, positive and a relaxed person. That's why I really wanted to share this with you all, so that you can also get a head start of your day in a positive, happy manner. Having said that, I know that habits are not developed overnight. It is a matter of practice and it takes a lot of time. But the important part is that you need to start, and once you start, you will see the difference. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you will find it useful. This was all about my morning routine and my experiences. I hope you will find it useful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment below with your questions, and also subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Also, the giveaway winners will be announced in my community post today, so don't forget to go and check it out. That's it for this video. Bye bye, stay fit, stay happy, bye.